At the end of transcription, student's messenger RNA sequence should be the same as sequence 1, transcription and translation. On to the next exercise. For translating the messenger RNA, we'll be using the messenger RNA that was synthesized in the previous exercise during transcription, the translation of RNA into proteins placemat, the transfer RNA pieces, the amino acid pieces, and a genetic code, either table 24.1 in the manual, or there is one in the kits that the students can use as well. From the 5' end, students will find the first codon that's AUG, and that will go in the ribosome in the P site. They will need to charge the methionine transfer RNA with the methionine amino acid. And the anticodon of the transfer RNA will base pair with the start codon, bringing the methionine amino acid. The codon in the A site is UGU, so the students will find the cysteine transfer RNA, charge it with the cysteine amino acid, and base pair the anticodon on the transfer RNA with the codon in the A site. The peptide bond between the methionine and the cysteine is catalyzed, and the messenger RNA moves in the ribosome so that now the A site is open and the uncharged methionine leaves. GAG is the next codon, so students will take the transfer RNA for glutamic or glutamate, add the amino acid, and base pair to the codon. Again, peptide bond is catalyzed, and we move the messenger RNA down, and the transfer RNA in the E site leaves. And as this amino acid chain grows, it will go through this protein exit channel with the N-terminus on that end. And students will continue doing this until we reach a stop codon such as UAG. In that case, the release factor will bind, and this will signal for translation to stop.